YouTube, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Kai TV Tube, but you knew that, you down there. So today we got a Ralph Lauren unboxing. I put the trues next to it just to show y'all, cause it's the outfit I was telling y'all about, the birthday outfit. Change of plans. I didn't get the polo outfit that I wanted. Let me just flip this for a second. And I wasn't gonna do a video on this, but this is part of the outfit that I told you guys about, showed you pictures of, but it's slightly different, so gotta show that it's not the shirt that I wanted, not the hat that I wanted. And I thought this was just gonna be a basic little box. I thought it was gonna be something like this right here, but nope. And Ralph Lauren did a little something, so I want to show y'all. It's not nothing crazy, but it does just give you a little special feeling. It's nothing crazy. When I cut the tape, I seen that when you pop it open, it's this little message. Then you got that down there. So yeah, this gives like a nice little classy feeling. I was not gonna do a video on this. It's just a shirt and a hat, but you take that and then boom. And I've never seen anybody unbox Ralph Lauren. I just seen people like just pop up with it or whatever. But that's the hat, and this is the shirt. I've never seen anybody unbox Ralph Lauren. That's crazy. What's all this in this box? Let me look at this for a quick second. Okay, all of that right there is just so all that rest of that stuff in that box is just showing you like what you bought and everything like that, and just kind of like the True Religion, but it's kind of like just a review. So let me scoot these to the side. Let me get these all lined up, or line it up like this, better yet. Boom, boom, boom. Can you see it? Is it glare? Too much of a glare? Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna open the pack and come back and get you guys when I get it. YouTube, we got the pack open, and this is it. We got the trues for the pants, and then we got the shirt. Still got the paper inside. I think this shirt has the 3 on the sleeve. Let me see. It might have it. Where's the sleeve? Yep, there you go. It got the 3 on the sleeve, just like the hat. And the dope thing about the hat is leather strap. I ain't take the plastic off yet. I'm probably gonna do it in a minute or whatever, or leave it on until the day of. I don't know, but yeah, that's dope. And another thing I like about this hat, I was kind of scared or skeptical on, is like the brim. If you just go to Macy's and get like Polo from Macy's, and it's like one of those just small pony, like say if this was the black hat with the red horse, because like Polo got certain little combinations like navy and white horse, green white horse, black red, and something other like orange and green. They got a little certain color combinations, and that's why I was gonna do the custom thing, because they usually don't have straight black and white. I don't know, it's weird. Sometimes they do though, just like this. I got lucky with this, but this is a big pony. I wanted to try to do small ponies. Small ponies just look kind of more a little classy sometimes, but yeah. So yeah, the brim is, with those ones, it's like real, it's like flimsy. This got a nice crispness to it, and it's got a good arch to it, and I like that. The other ones is real flat and just flimsy, and it don't look right when you put it on. Now it looks good when you put it on. It keeps that arch in it. So yeah, YouTube, this is just a quick video. I don't know, should I throw this on for y'all real quick just to give y'all a preview or what? I ain't gonna throw it on for y'all today, man. This is a quick video, cause I wasn't gonna do it, but for y'all. I do. So I'm gonna get out of here, YouTube. It's your boy Kai TV 2, but you knew that, and you know what I like to say. I love new subscribers and I love comments, but I need you, and him and her to like this video so you can get this video out there for the people to see. The more people like this video, the more people will see it. We ain't trying to get no money out you, man. Everybody think you trying to get some money about them. You know, you hit the like button, I get paid. Nah, man, we just trying to see people see the video. You search Polo reviews or unboxing, you gonna see me. You ain't gonna see that other dude, you gonna see me. You gonna see Kai TV Tube. So, yeah, that's it, man. Quick Polo unboxing. Nice touch that they did. Yeah, that's somewhat classy right there, you know. I'm definitely not mad about that. So I'm gonna get out of here, YouTube. It's your boy Kai TV 2. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.